Demand for the strategic road network is growing, and so is customer expectation. So to really make a positive impact on customer experience, we need to be thinking about our customers throughout every stage of the project. To help us do this, we've worked with Highways England and our strategic design partners, Atkins, to develop MyRoad as a 4-stage, end-to-end approach to help us view our projects through the eyes of the customer. Firstly, we understand customer needs through building strong relationships. Then we embed this thinking through customer-focused design, before minimising disruption during construction through smarter delivery. And most importantly, we strive to leave a lasting legacy for customers and communities, far greater than the infrastructure we're building.
Understanding our customer needs is all about building trust so that customers feel like we're taking into account their needs throughout the life cycle of our projects. Across all our schemes, we regularly engage with customers either directly or through our newsletters or social media channels. On the M25 Junction 10 scheme, we've recently launched our virtual information portal, an interactive way to help bring this scheme to life for our customers. The portal allows our customers to find the information that they are interested in, whether it be as a road user, or a walker, or cyclist, or horse rider, or whether they're interested in the environmental sides of the scheme.
Customer-focused design involves putting people at the heart of our design process. Led by specialists in human factors and behaviour change, our human-centred design approach starts with people rather than the technology or the asset that we're designing. On our RDP schemes, we're working with project teams in collaborative workshops to challenge the design from a human perspective. This ensures that customers are given fair weighting in design and decision making. On the A57 scheme, this has been supported by our digital consultation approach, which has enabled us to reach a wider and more diverse customer group.
Through smarter delivery, we're minimising the impact on our customers. On the A2 Bean and Ebbsfleet project, we're utilising digital methodologies of construction. We're using digital rehearsal to rehearse many times what we're going to do on site before we get there. Getting in a room with all of our engineers, all of our supply chain, so we all really understand that plan. We can start plotting where logistics are going to come in and out of a site. We can plan where each piece of material is going to be delivered, and we can start having a look at how it's going to be manoeuvred and constructed in its final state. If we really understand what we're building when we get to site, that means that we've got less rework, less chance for things to go wrong, and we're really minimising the amount of time and that impact on the customer when we get there.
The final aspect of our MyRoad strategy is leaving a positive legacy. Each of our schemes are designed and delivered to connect communities and to maximise social value. This is done through skills, through education, through local employment, and to improvements in the environment. On the A19, we're incredibly proud of the work in which we've undertaken to date. We've delivered over 54 hours of career talks to over 2,000 school children. We've delivered over £7,000 of charitable giving and 64 hours of volunteering in the communities. None of this would be possible without our engagement with our supply chain, and we've delivered over 40% of our spend on the scheme within the local communities, and the same with small to medium-sized enterprises. As the project reaches its final phases, we're proud to say that we're well on track to deliver our social value targets.
Through MyRoad, we're making our commitment to providing a better end-to-end experience for our customers, whether that's leaving lasting economic benefits for businesses and communities, or improving journey times and ensuring a safe and well-maintained network for the millions of road users who use the routes for years to come.